Hi, hello. This is Anup here, and in this video, what we are going to see is how to clean up Azure AD stale devices. Alright, so I have a blog post about this. I am going to link that blog post in the description of this video. Please refer to that for more details, right? So Microsoft introduced a new way of cleaning up Azure AD stale devices using MS oil device commandlet, right? PowerShell commandlet. what what you can do is basically you can connect to your Azure AD subscription using connect-ms ms oil service commandlet, and once you connected you can get a list of inactive devices from Azure AD, right? So that list, to get that list, you need to run a command called get hyphen ms oil device hyphen all, right? So that will provide you a CSV file. Okay, so CSV file will give you the details. um, the important detail over there is basically approximate last logon timestamp, right? That is the attribute which you want to look into, and that is the attribute which is going to identify the stale record, right? So once you identify the devices which are stale in your Azure Active Directory, what you can do is you can disable those devices using the commandlet disable hyphen msoil device, right? As you can see in the video, and you need to provide the device ID. Okay, after that, once you disable the device, the next step would be the removal of those devices, disabled devices. You can do that using another command, that is remove hyphen ms oil device. Okay, so for this also you need to have a device ID. You need to provide the device ID. So this is not, yeah, if you ask me, is this the best way to delete, clean up stale entries from Azure Active Directory? I don't think so, but at the moment this is the best way you can do it. But probably in future Microsoft will come up with some out of box options in the UI that will take care of the stale records automatically, so that you don't need to run the PowerShell commands manually, or you don't need to schedule PowerShell scripts to have this function. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click on like button. If you don't like the video, please click on unlike button. See you next time.